Introducing the Oral Motor Assessment Cards, a set of engaging visuals containing child-friendly instructions designed to aid speech pathologists in conducting a thorough oral motor examination for children. Completing a comprehensive oral structure and function assessment can help you accurately differentially diagnose specific speech sound disorders in children. But what happens if your child is reluctant to participate, won't open their mouth, or is confused by your instructions? Our solution is to make the assessment process interactive, informative, and fun. By having your child complete various animal expressions using clear, easy-to-understand directions, we aim for you and the child to thoroughly enjoy the process of completing the oral motor assessment. This oral motor assessment deck covers the following areas: facial observation, mandible, lips, tongue, dentition, soft and hard palate, double oral motor movements, and DDK rates. To complete the oral motor assessment efficiently, please ensure that you have the following tools: these Bjorem Speech Oral Motor Assessment Cards, of course, a pen, gloves, a tongue depressor or throat scope, a flashlight, and a stopwatch or timer. These record forms were created to help speech-language pathologists record their observations in an organized and efficient way. This helps to not only guide the assessment process, but also to help with ensuring you include all the information in a cohesive and organized manner when writing your assessment report. Here is the front side of two of the cards. You can see the fun and engaging illustrations of animals for the child to mimic. Here's the back. You can see in the top left corner of each card the oral motor area it is assessing, a simple, fun verbal instruction for you to give the child, the card number for organization, and you can see how each card is color-coded by area of assessment. For more information about this deck and other products, please visit www.bjoremspeech.com.